The Irish Meteorological Service has issued its highest possible status red warning ahead of the arrival of Hurricane Ophelia. Areas including Cork, Kerry, Clare and Galway Mayo are set to receive wind speeds in excess of 130 km per hour, 80 miles per hour. The warning by the Irish Meteorological Service said Hurricane Ophelia is expected to transition to a post-tropical storm as it approaches our shores on Monday, bringing severe winds and stormy conditions. Mean wind speeds in excess of 80 km per hour and gusts in excess of 130 km per hour are expected, potentially causing structural damage and disruption, with dangerous marine conditions due to high seas and potential flooding. Hurricane Ophelia is currently traveling across the Atlantic Ocean with winds of up to 100 miles per hour as it approaches the UK and Ireland. The storm, which will be what is known as an ex-hurricane when it reaches Britain early next week, it is expected to bring heavy rain and strong winds, after a weekend of warm weather with temperatures around 23 C in some places, but the storm will batter the west coast of UK and Ireland, and the Met Office has issued severe weather alerts, warning of potential power cuts, damage to buildings and disruption to transport networks and mobile phone signals. The tropical storm is currently making its way across the Atlantic Ocean as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of up to 100 miles per hour. The remnants of the storm are set to hit much of the west coast of the country on Monday. Before the storm, a yellow warning for rain is in place for Saturday morning across parts of northern England, with up to 50 millimeters of rain over high ground and as much as 70 millimeters possible over the most exposed hills. Monday will then see a spell of very windy weather sweeping across western parts of the UK, according to the Met Office, which has issued a yellow warning for wind early next week, with the potential for gusts of 80 miles per hour in coastal areas, particularly in Northern Ireland. Road, rail, air and ferry services may be affected, and there could be power cuts, with the potential to affect other services, such as mobile phone coverage. More follows. More about British weather. Hurricane Ophelia reuse content.
You and I.